Have you ever imagined earning passive income while you sleep from a product that you built once and now sells itself? In this video, I will walk you through how I used artificial intelligence to do exactly that. No design background, no prior marketing expertise, no budget, just smart use of free and accessible AI tools. Whether you are a freelancer, a content creator, or simply someone seeking to build an additional stream of income, this method can completely change your digital strategy. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will be able to create and launch your own digital product, entirely powered by AI. Let us begin by understanding the opportunity. Digital products are assets that you create once, such as eBooks, templates, courses, or printables, and sell infinitely without additional inventory, packaging, or fulfillment. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip have made it incredibly easy to list and sell these products to a global audience. But the real challenge is in the creation. Most people never get started because they believe they lack the design skills, the writing ability, or the marketing knowledge. This is where artificial intelligence changes the game entirely. AI can now generate product ideas, create assets, and even automate your promotional content. You no longer need to be a designer or writer. You just need to know how to prompt the right tools, and I am going to show you exactly how. First, you need to choose the right type of product for your audience or niche. Open ChatGPT and use a prompt like, give me 10 trending digital product ideas for people interested in personal finance. Or what kind of Notion templates are popular among remote workers? The AI will instantly provide specific, relevant product ideas. From those, select one that aligns with your interests or skills, even if only slightly. In my case, I chose to create a Notion-based freelance business planner. It was a product I would personally use, and it aligned with a growing demand in the creator economy. The key is not to reinvent the wheel, but to enhance a high-demand concept using efficiency and value. Once you have chosen your idea, it is time to create the product, and AI makes this part effortless. For an ebook, use ChatGPT to outline the chapters, generate content by prompting it to write each section in your voice. Use Canva to design the cover and layout, and export the final version as a PDF for a template. Ask ChatGPT to structure your planner or system. Build it in Notion or Google Sheets, and use icons and headers generated by AI image tools like DALL-E or Midjourney. You are not just producing content, you are systematizing it with clarity and speed. With the right prompts, ChatGPT will write your checklists, fill in descriptions, and even recommend features that make your product more valuable. This method can cut your creation time from weeks to a single day, and the end result will look completely polished and premium. Now that your product is ready, you need to host and sell it. I personally used Gumroad because it is simple, free to start, and does not require any complex setup. Upload your product. Then use ChatGPT to write your product description, create your headline using AIDA, draft email copy if you want to send it to your audience, and even generate testimonials or FAQs if you do not have them yet. This is not just automation, it is amplification. You are producing everything a full creative team would do, entirely solo, using AI. Marketing is what makes or breaks most digital products. Fortunately, artificial intelligence can handle most of this too. Use ChatGPT and Canva too. Write Twitter threads, Instagram captions, or LinkedIn posts promoting your product. Create carousel designs and short-form content ideas. Script out short YouTube shorts or TikToks introducing your product. And even write out the email sequence to drive urgency and conversions. If you need visuals, use DALL-E or Midjourney to create catching promotional images or mock-ups. If you need motion, use Pictory or Runwell to convert scripts into short AI-generated videos. You can now launch and promote your product without hiring copywriters, editors, or designers. Just a set of tools and well-crafted prompts. So, what happened when I followed this exact method? Within the first 7 days of launching my digital product, I made sales even without spending $1 on advertising. And it keeps selling. That is the beauty of digital products. Once built, they continue to generate income, requiring constant attention. I now use this exact method to create multiple products across niches. It is repeatable, scalable, and extremely efficient, especially if you are just starting out. Artificial intelligence is not here to replace you. It is here to multiply your output. And when you apply it to digital product creation, you unlock a revenue stream that works around the clock. If you are ready to build your own product that sells itself, follow this process. The tools are free, the methods are simple. The only thing missing is your action. All right. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to Byte to Bank, and leave a comment below telling me what kind of product you are going to create next. You are just one prompt away from launching your next income stream.